All right, welcome back. We're going to be revisiting this center bracket that we made for our wheel caster assembly. Because realistically, if you were going to produce this, you probably wouldn't machine it out of billet. You'd probably just stamp it out of sheet metal. Well, SOLIDWORKS has some really great tools to help us do that. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to get rid of these little fillets that I put in. Just going to right click them, delete, and right click, delete. Now I'm going to convert this into sheet metal. Now I've got some sheet metal tools over here on my window, but if you don't happen to have those up, real easy way to find it, go up in here into your search and just start typing convert, and there you go. It pops right up. Convert to sheet metal. Now it wants to know which is the fixed surface. So when it gets stamped, I'm going to choose this bottom internal surface here. It wants to know the thickness. I put in my 2.38. It wants to know the radius of the bends, and that was 3 millimeters. And now it wants to know what edges are actually being bent. And that will be these internal ones, the edges that are contacting our fixed surface. There we go. Green tick mark. And now it has just turned this into a sheet metal part. I know it looks rather similar to the part when it was machined from billet, but now that it's out of sheet metal, there's some really neat little tricks that we can do. And I grab myself a bottom view of this, and I'll show you. If I come up into my search window and start typing unfold, there we go. It wants to know the fixed face. I select the fixed face. It wants to know which bends we're going to be unfolding. And that's the top and bottom. Green tick mark. There you go. That is the piece of metal that you would have to cut out, which could then be folded into that shape. It compensates for the K factor around the corners, so you get the right shape at the end. So now what I can do is I can go up here next to the little arrow next to new and say make drawing from part. And I do want a drawing. And you can pick whichever format you want it in. I'm just going to run with the A Handsy landscape for right now. And one critical thing, you want to make sure that we're working in metric to keep it consistent with everything we've been doing up until now. I'm going to come up here to my view palette. I'll grab my top view, click and drag it out onto the screen, side step, and it will give me my other, I believe that would be my right view. Click the green tick mark. Now I can grab my smart dimension tool real quick like. I can just start grabbing dimensions off of this guy that the shop would need to be able to crank them out in mass. I know this is just kind of sloppy, quick and easy, but you can see how this tool is really, really useful. If I took a couple of minutes to clean this up, I'd have myself a real nice little blueprint. And zoom on in here, get the thickness, grab this guy, come all the way up here, grab this guy, and now I've got my overall length of the piece of sheet metal. Just like that, I got myself started a nice little blueprint with all the measurements I would need to actually build these out of sheet metal. All right, hope it was helpful. Hope you're having yourself a good day.